Dear students, let's continue the topic by doing more examples on product of monomials. There are few examples written over here. Find the product of 3xy and minus 7xy. To find its product, I firstly multiply. I'll be writing multiplication sign between them. 3xy multiplied by minus 6xy. Right? Now, the next step is to multiply the coefficients. 3 and minus 7 are the numerical coefficient of the monomials. So I'll be writing it in one bracket. Now I'll be finding the common base. X and y are two variable here. X and y are two variable in this monomial. So I'll be writing this x with this x, and I'll be writing y with y. Now you know that when the bases are same, we will add the powers when there is a multiplication sign, right? Here also bases are same and there's a multiplication sign between them. So I will be adding the powers. 3 into minus 7 will become minus 21 into x raised to the power 1 into x raised to the power 1 will become x raised to the power 2, and y raised to the power 1 into y raised to the power 1 will become y raised to the power 2. Now I'll write it in one form, that is minus 21 x square y square. Dear students, please note that the product of two monomials will again be monomial only. Okay, let us do few more examples. 2x square y into 3 minus 3 by 2x, right? Now I'll be writing the coefficients in one bracket. Dear student, as the coefficient over here is minus, it's a negative, so I'm writing it in round brackets, okay? Into x square, here the variable x is there whose power is 2, here variable x is there whose power is 1. So I'll be writing it in one bracket, and y will be written alone because there is no y in the second monomial. I can cancel 2 with 2. I'll get minus 1 into minus 3 into 1, which will become minus 3, x raised to the power 3 and y. This would be the answer. Next, minus 7 by 5 a raised to the power 3 will be multiplied with minus 3 b raised to the power 2. Right? So I'll be writing my coefficients. Minus 7 by 5 multiplied by minus 3 into a raised to the power 3. Here you can say a is the variable. In this monomial, b is only the variable. So I'll write a raised to the power 3 and b raised to the power 2. I'll solve this bracket. Minus minus will become plus. 7 3s are 21. Upon 5, I can't cancel numerator to denominator because there is no common factor. Hence, a cube b square will be the answer. Okay. Now, last example, minus 20 b c d and 4 by 5 b square c cube d. I'll be writing both the monomials and I'll be writing multiplication sign between them, right? So the first step is to write the coefficients, then common bases, in this way, right? Now can you cancel it here? Yes, we can cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 minus 4s are 20. Right, so it will become minus 16. B raised to the power 1, B raised to the power 2 will become B raised to the power 3. C raised to the power 1 and C raised to the power 3 will become C raised to the power 4. and d raised to the power 1 and d raised to the power 1. Multiplication sign is there, bases are same, so we will add the powers. So this would be the answer. Thank you, students.